we're gonna eat mukbang.
Mukbang. Hello, Tuni. Mukbang hong bolding kahiva. Azia hile. Facebook 10,000 followers mo. 10,000 followers lop na. Video family mukbang kang naiding wahi. Bangbangi kanedi hong genpot ningo. First, let me show you what I prepared today.
Sorry.
Rice. I cook rice. This is called cotoleta chicken with spinach. This is salami, picante, spicy salami. Cucumber.
Halloween biscuits.
Lettuce. Pork, bacon type, but it's not bacon. This is bitter gourd, tangka fry. Here hile, beans, mushroom, potato, to chicken broth mo powder asutwidi. Here hile, green chili. I bought it from Indian shop. Indian shop.
We have a chocolate for Daddy.
Chocolate for Daddy.
And 3 cake for everyone.
Halloween cake. Michelle, Mama, Daddy, Adima. So this is what we are going to eat.
We're gonna start eating now, and we have rice, heart for Daddy. See, we have wine.
Spoon.
We have salad. We have cucumbers. We have a meat cotoletta, chicken cotoletta. We have salami, spicy salami, and we have like 3 cakes of chocolate of Halloween, because today's Halloween, and for Daddy, Mama, and me. Start, Mama.
Okay. Chin chin.
Chin chin. That's me.
Chin chin. Chin chin. Celebration. Thank you everyone for your support and for your help. So today we are having family mukbang.
But my sauce?
Huh?
I don't have.
Soup.
Only soup, please. Soup it. It's so
Emma.
liquid.
Emma.
It's not even creamy, Mama. So liquid.
Polo.
Wow, it's very liquid. Can't believe my hands.
Emma, bangin na dubig ka, Emma, mushroom. Mushroom. Emma. Anne home zong ha roi. Today I went to Indian shop to buy some chili. Chili le bangata tangka mo bitter gourd. Tuye mi.
Tuye.
Tuye mo. Cotoleta. Kaya wa kung paswa.
Okay, this.
Applet inong pebe. Thank you. Hihile. Kana kangkang kawe. Ka busy ka lanaw ka edem. Apizong kapyain mo. Apizong mukbang ang teldi. Kachile. Busy engine. Tel thay lâu. Akit siya nga mukbang di mo mazong. Also kakahuan teng kapya kami chap huan tangka. Bono. Chili. Salt. Thane fed. Spicy. Very spicy this chili.
Really? Can I try one?
Hey. lettuce.
Now let me try one.
Trời Tặng khá. Cái thải chị bé. Mimi pa tặng khá đủ. Tặng khá lòng tuổi sao mà. Pin lòng đủ tặng khá. Bitter gourd. Mimi grandma grandma also like bitter gourd. I used to ask when I go to Indian shop, do you want anything? Chaka dola. Tang kham le tang khang le nang chị
Mom should take it.
Huh?
Mom should
Yeah,
take it.
I give. Emma, good girl, Emma. Emma, good girl. Mole. Anong lamaan to, Maya? Ito eh.
Oh, good.
Kami ewan. Kapi ka kolin. Kawan min mina. Katry siya. Tuwi sa jela. Tuye.
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 Kotoleta, tuye na.
Tuye.
Tampipi niya nun. Tampipi niya di. Bacon mo. Bacon. Chị ra dòng bacon chết lo.
Econo pancetta.
Pancetta. Pancetta ke chin ma. Vỗ sa hin. Vỗ belly dan de cha pan sida ki at tona. Cha. Mimi twitch kang pia khalo. Tui botol la. Mga buat. Ni tui.
I already finished the rice, Mama.
Nga de ibe ibu. Bu de ibe.
I don't want no more.
No.
My piece.
No, stop.
Hello, I finished my dinner. I will wash my hands. I already washed. And now it's time for the sweets. Mama?
Oi, bangi.
Can I have the ghost one?
Anak koltan niya apple na po.
Okay.
Fruit. K2. I am too full, so I am not eating fruit today. I eat too much. In Italy, we always eat fruit after lunch, dinner. But now I am too full, so I'm not eating. I will eat only dessert. This one. This is chocolate dessert. Given to us by one of the parents in Michelle Father's Academy. She's from Romania. She always give us some something to eat or some other stuff. Also, she's a very good woman. So, Afel mo mimi pa in atapapaku football training ani chang ba. Aba puizel chang mo. Munda nga tournament bela na chang ba. Asu puya to puizelin ma. Husia yung. Ne di ho bang di ho na ile. Ang piagi ge siya tuam lo. Afel. Ngale boy.
Mama, can I serve the desserts? Can I serve them?
Hani boy.
Can I serve the desserts?
All ham tam ti ko ngai di.
Should I put first?
Na apple na po do. Ema nang apple hong na di.
One for you because you're never apple.
Koy ko na nga di now.
Me, I'm gonna have the skeleton and the. I only want the skeleton.
Mo skeleton.
Can you give me the skeleton and put it on the ghost?
Imo skeleton. Skull level skull. Ihu bone. Bone eye. Ihula.
Let's get. I want the ghost.
Sprinkle.
I just want the ghost.
Emma. Oh. Ghost. Michelin ghost na di. Kan hinaningal. Ay.
This is a type of paper that you can made out of sugar.
Yeah.
That's what I
coconut.
want to do.
I don't know. I don't know.
It looks like it's made out of plastic, Mama.
So soft.
Yeah.
Atoy dandan so. I don't
It
like
looks
the
like it's
sugar.
made out of plastic, Mama.
Ha?
It looks like it's made out of plastic.
Aya, chocolate kya.
Can you give me the sprinkles?
Zukero.
Mm-hmm.
Kan achini kadulo. Chocolate jong ne no.
Mm-hmm.
Coconut is too good.
I don't
Kaya
think
na apple kapil kasala. Hita kapil kalaw.
Yeah, okay.
Aya. Nang nilaw di chocolate. Asunga ko neno le. Kuya good girl. Emma. Ole. Hitanin Zoni, thank you so much everyone for watching our video. Please press the notification bell so you can, whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.